सो हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू. तर आज आपण पुन्हा भेटतोय दुसऱ्या लेक्चरमध्ये, ऑनलाईन लेक्चर्समध्ये. पहिलं लेक्चर काल आपण बघितलं, ठीक आहे. अँड वी हॅव स्टार्टेड द पॉईंट दॅट इज रिॲक्शन इंटरमिडिएट्स. इन दॅट वी हॅव सीन द कार्बोकॅटायन. बरोबर आहे, कार्बोकॅटायन ओव्हरऑल बघितलं आपण. अँड देन वी हॅव स्टार्टेड द second reaction intermediate, that is carbanion. Okay, so what is meant by carbanion? The species of carbon which carries negative charge and its octet is complete. Okay, so see here one example. For example, CH3 minus carbanion. Okay, now this is methyl carbanion. Which carbanion? Methyl carbanion. So what is its overall structure? Structure is like this. Now this is the p orbital with these 2 electrons. Okay, this is the p orbital of carbon. तर कार्बोकॅटायन मध्ये जी p ऑर्बिटल होती कशी होती? एम्प्टी होती. पण इथे ही एम्प्टी आहे का? नाही. It contains how many? 2 electrons. Okay, now these 3 bonds, the 3 sigma bond, CH, CH and CH. Okay, so first point, you have to remember these points. Carbon is sp3 hybridized. Carbon hybridization काय असेल इथे? sp3. Okay, and you have to distinguish between the carbocation and कार्बेनियन. ठीक आहे, दोन्हीला तुम्ही काय करू शकता? डिस्टिंग्विश करू शकता. पण जसं आपण कार्बोकॅटायन बद्दल बघितलं, त्याच्या एक्झॅक्टली अपोजिट कोण असणार आहे? कार्बेनियन. बरोबर आहे. सो कार्बन इज sp3 हायब्रिडाइज्ड. सेकंड वन, ज्योमेट्री. ज्योमेट्री इज पिरामिडल और डिस्टॉर्टेड टेट्राहेड्रल. ज्योमेट्री कशी आहे? पिरामिडल आहे or distorted tetrahedral, similar to the ammonia. ठीक है, you know the geometry of ammonia. Ammonia is like this: nitrogen, 1 lone pair, H, H and H. बरोबर आहे. अमोनियाची जॉमेट्री सुद्धा अशीच आहे, स्ट्रक्चर असंच आहे. So it's similar to the carbanion. It also contains 8 electrons in its outermost shell and its octet is complete. Okay, similar to ammonia. Next point, bond angle between the HCH is 107 degree. So you have to understand this point, that if geometry is complete tetrahedral, then bond angle is 109.28 minutes, 109 degree. But here, due to the repulsion between this lone pair and bond pair. Okay, repulsion मुळे काय होतं? Due to that repulsion, bond angle decreases. Okay, so it is not completely 109 degree. So that repulsion, bond angle decreases here, and it is 107 degree. Next point. Now it acts as a Lewis base. Lewis base means electron pair donor species. Carbocation is Lewis acid electron pair acceptor species. Now it is electron rich species, that is nucleophilic in nature. Okay, carbanion is nucleophilic, means it is electron rich. So it can attack towards the electrophiles, that is electron deficient species. Okay, now how carbanion is stabilized? Main point, the stability. So it is stabilized by minus I effect and resonance. Okay, here no part of hyperconjugation. Hyperconjugation does not occur in the carbanion. Okay, because its octet is complete. ठीक है? Then its octet is complete because it contains how many 8 electrons. See here, this 2 lone pair, 1 lone pair means 2 electron, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Still it is unstable because the valency of carbon is not 4 here, valency is incomplete. Now when it is stable, when it donate this lone pair to any other species and form a bond, and when its valence is complete, then it is stable. Okay? Its octet is complete, means 8 electron, and combined with the electrophile. कोणत्या स्पीसीज बरोबर हा कंबाईन होईल? इलेक्ट्रोफाइल सोबत. इलेक्ट्रोफाइल न्यूक्लियोफाइल सोबत आणि न्यूक्लियोफाइल इलेक्ट्रोफाइल सोबत. Okay? Now it is also formed by heterolysis. We have seen this point yesterday also. Carbocation or carbanion is formed by heterolysis. Okay? Heterolytic fission. Okay? Suppose this carbon attached to Z. Okay? Heterolysis occur. Heterolysis means what? The bonded pair. Okay? जी बॉन्डेड पेयर आहे कार्बन आणि झेड मधली ती कुठे शिफ्ट होते? इट इज शिफ्टेड टुवर्ड्स मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव्ह ॲटम. सो इट इज शिफ्टेड टुवर्ड्स द कार्बन and Z here remove. Not remove, you can say it liberates. So what is Z? Z is a less electronegative than carbon. म्हणजे कार्बन पेक्षा कमी इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव्हिटी असलेला ॲटम किंवा ग्रुप आठायचा असेल तर कार्बॅनियन तयार होतो. आणि जर झेड हा मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव्ह असता तर काय तयार झाला असता? कार्बो कॅटायन इथे तयार झाला असता. ठीक आहे? सो आय होप इट इज व्हेरी इझी अँड अंडरस्टँडेबल. ओके? तर लक्षात येत असेल सर्वांच्या. तर हे पॉईंट सर्वांनी काय करायचे? लिहून घ्यायचे आपल्या नोटबुकमध्ये. ठीक आहे? ओके. सो next point in the carbanion is its stability. How it is stabilized. Okay, so as we have seen, it is stabilized by minus I effect and resonance. So first point, by minus I effect. Okay, now we have seen inductive effect, positive and negative. So which atoms or groups show minus I effect? Generally electron withdrawing group, EWG means what? Electron withdrawing group, electron withdrawing or accepting group. Okay, it stabilizes the carbanion. Okay, now so it is very simple. एक गोष्ट लक्षात घ्या, कार्बोकॅटायनच्या एक्झॅक्टली अपोजिट कोण आहे? कार्बॅनियन. बरोबर आहे? हे काही पॉईंट्स तुम्हाला मी याच्या अगोदर सुद्धा सांगितलेले आहेत. मग कार्बोकॅटायनला कोण स्टॅबिलाइज करतं? डोनेटिंग ग्रुप. मग कार्बॅनियनला कोण स्टॅबिलाइज करेल? इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग. सो विच ग्रुप्स आर इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग? यू नो व्हेरी वेल. नायट्रो, सायनाइड. ओके, okay, so nitro, cyanide, your acid. Okay, okay, so which groups are electron withdrawing? Your nitro group, cyanide group, your acid, aldehyde, ketone. Okay, these are the electron withdrawing group, and if they are present, then they stabilize the carbanion. So see here some examples. First, alkane carbanion, alkene carbanion and alkyne carbanion. So which one is most stable? In carbocation, alkane carbocation is more stable, correct? But now here order is reverse, exactly opposite. Now this carbanion is more stable than this, and this is more stable than this. So what is the reason? Reason is again same. This carbon is sp3 hybridized, this carbon is sp2 hybridized, and this carbon is sp hybridized. And as you know, as a percentage of S character increases, electronegativity of carbon also increases, and therefore this carbon is more electronegative than this and than this. Okay, sp3, this percentage of S character is very low, and it is not much more electronegative. Okay, तर याच्यामध्ये ऑर्डर अशी काय म्हणजे एक्झॅक्टली काय करणे तुम्हाला अपोजिट ऑर्डर करायची आहे जी कार्बोकॅटायन मध्ये होती. आता याच्यामध्ये सॉरी हियर निगेटिव्ह चार्ज माइनस. नाउ दिस 3 carbanion, here OMe methoxy group, here planar carbanion, benzyl carbanion, and here NO2 nitro. Now which one is more stable, whether first, second or third? Okay, so which one is more stable? So you have to observe the group OMe methoxy. Okay, it is donating group, it is electron donating group, it donates the electron to this CH2 minus, and nitro, as you know, it is strong electron withdrawing group, so it will withdraw the electron towards itself. So which one is more stable? Third is more stable than second, and second is more stable than first. Reason here, due to the minus R or minus M, it is negative resonance, it will withdraw the electron towards itself. Okay, so due to the minus R, and here it donates the electron due to the plus R, positive resonance. ओके, तर तुमच्या लक्षात आलं असेल सर्वांच्या कार्बेनियन साठी काय पाहिजे? इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप पाहिजे, तरच तो काय होतो? स्टेबल होतो. ओके, नाउ थर्ड example, this is tertiary carbanion, this is secondary, this is primary, and this is methyl. So which one is more stable? Now see here, this is methyl. So these 3 electron donating groups, okay, they donate the electron to this carbon by plus sign in the Q effect. पण हा कार्बन ऑलरेडी रिच आहे, त्याला इलेक्ट्रॉनची आवश्यकता आहे का? नाही. लक्षात घ्या, इथे 3 मिथाइल आहे, इथे किती आहे? 2, इथे 1, इथे एक पण मिथाइल आहे का? नाही. मग कार्बोकॅटायन मध्ये ऑर्डर कशी होती? अशी होती. टर्शियरी हा मोस्ट स्टेबल होता. कार्बेनियन मध्ये काय होईल? ऑर्डर एक्झॅक्टली ऑपोजिट होईल. मीन्स युअर मिथाइल कार्बेनियन इज मोर स्टेबल दॅन दिस प्रायमरी इज मोर स्टेबल दॅन सेकंडरी, and secondary is more stable than tertiary. Okay, now this order is only in case of carbanion. Okay, so carbocation and carbanion are exactly what? Opposite. So this is overall about the minus side effect. Okay, now second point, by resonance. Now see here one example, benzyl carbanion. We have taken this example in the benzyl carbocation also. What is the structure of benzyl carbanion? This is the structure, benzyl ring CH2 minus. Okay, now see here, this is CH2 minus. Now how it is stabilized? It is stabilized by resonance. And what is in my resonance? Delocalization of pi bonded electrons. So this negative charge shift here, and this pi bond comes here at this ortho position. Okay, so here this is the negative charge. तर हा चार्ज इथे राहील का? नाही, कारण तो रिंग मध्ये काय होणार आहे? डिलोकलाइज, ज्याला आपण काय म्हणतो? नथिंग बट रेझोनन्स. So this negative charge shift here, again pi bond shift here. Okay, this pi bond. मग इथे काय होईल pi bond, pi bond and here negative charge. So again this negative charge shift here, this pi bond comes here. Fourth structure, again this negative charge shift here and this pi bond shift towards the carbon, and finally you will get here the structure like this, CH2 minus. Okay, so all these are what? These are the resonating structures or canonical structures of what? Benzyl carbanium. Okay, and these are the resonating structures. We are representing this by what? Double-headed arrow. Double-headed arrow ने आपण काय करतो त्यांना रिप्रेझेंट करत असतो आणि यांना काय म्हणतो आपण? These are what? The resonating forms. Resonating forms, resonating structures or canonical structures of benzyl carbanium. Okay, so you have to write this part properly in your notebook. Okay, okay, so here we are seeing the stability. ठीक आहे, काय बघतो आपण? कार्बनियमची stability. We have seen one example, that is benzyl carbanium. Now second example, see here, this is C6H5 tri-C minus. This is what? Triphenyl carbanium. आता इथे C6H5 च्या ऐवजी तुम्हाला pH सुद्धा देऊ शकतात. pH means phenyl ring. Okay, so this is triphenyl, this is biphenyl carbanium, and this is your benzyl carbanium. Just we have an example of benzyl carbanium. So which one is more stable? As we have seen, more the resonance, more is the stability of carbocation, and same thing will observe in carbanium also. More the resonance, more is the stability. So here 3 benzene rings, so this is more stable than this 2 rings, and this is more stable than this because it contains only 1. बरोबर आहे? आपण बघा याचा रेझोनन्स बघितलं. एका रिंग मुळे किती रेझोनन्स होतो? बरोबर आहे? हा स्टेबल होतोय. मग याच्यामध्ये तो 2 रिंग आहेत, मोर रेझोनन्स, आणि याच्यामध्ये 3 रिंग आहेत. ठीक आहे? म्हणजे हा कसा असेल? मोर स्टेबल, आणि तो कसा असेल? लीस्ट स्टेबल. मग तुम्हाला याच्यामध्ये अभ्यास करत असताना या प्रकारे काय करायचं आहे? स्टडी करायची आहे की जनरली आता तुम्हाला काय की MCQ टाईप जे क्वेश्चन्स राहतील तर कशा प्रकारे क्वेश्चन्स येतात ते तुम्ही बघू शकता. ठीक आहे. नाउ नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज द रिएक्टिविटी ऑफ कार्बेनियम, or we can say the effects of carbanium, that is the reactivity. First one, combination reactions. Now say any carbanium, because it is either a nucleophile or base, it combined with the Y plus. Y plus means what? Electrophile. This is what? Any electrophile. So it donate its negative charge or lone pairs and form this product. So this is the combination reaction. Second one, displacement or substitution reaction, as we have seen in the SN2. Okay, biomolecular nucleophilic substitution. We have seen in detail about the SN1, SN2. So what will happen in the SN2? Suppose this is your carbanium and this is your alkyl halide. Okay, so nucleophile attack from the backside attack of nucleophile. So in this way it will attack and remove of your halogen. So in this way formation of this compound plus X minus. Okay, then addition reactions RCH2 minus. Now it will attack on the alkenes also. Or suppose it will attack on alkene, so pi bond shift here. So formation of RCH2 C and here C minus. Okay. Then CH2 minus, this carbanion, it will attack on electrophilic carbonyl carbon. Okay, so it will attack on this also, this pi bond shift here. So there is formation of RCH2 CCO minus. Okay, so these are what the reactivity of carbanion, how it will react with different substrates, or you can say the different, generally the electrophiles, because it is a nucleophile and it will react with the electrophiles. Okay. Okay friends, so here next example, how the nature of carbon is changed. Okay, reverse polarity we can say, and it is known as the Umplong chemistry. So you can see here RCH2S. Okay, this is alkyl halide. Here halogen is negatively charged and carbon is positively charged. Okay, but if you add magnesium metal, then what is the structure here? RCH2MgX. Now here when metal is attached with the carbon, then electronegativity of carbon is more as compared to the electronegativity of metals, and therefore carbon is here electronegative. Okay, and the nature of carbon is nucleophilic. And which reagent is from here? This is nothing but the Grignard reagent, RMgX. You know this reagent very well, RMgX. Okay, R means the carbon is negatively charged, this halogen also negatively charged, and metal Mg is double positively charged. So this is an well example of the carbon which is having a negative charge in the Grignard reagent. Okay, RMgX. Okay, so with this point we have completed our second reaction intermediate, that is carbanion. Now we are starting the next one, third one, that is free radicals. Okay, free radicals. Okay, so what are free radicals? Generally, in case of carbon, we say it is a species of carbon which is electrically neutral. Okay, and it contains the odd number of electrons. Odd number means 7 electrons. Now see, carbocation contains 6, carbanion 8, and radical 7 in its outermost shell. Now, how it is formed? It is formed by homolysis. And it is a very short-lived species, and that is more reactive species. One example here, CH3 ethane. If you take ethane in presence of sunlight or UV light and in presence of non-polar solvent, okay, then here what? Homolysis occurs. Homolysis means the symmetrical breaking of covalent bond. Okay, this carbon or this methyl group takes 1 electron, this take 1 electron, and here formation of methyl free radicals. Dot dot means what? Both the species contain here 1 unpaired electron. So what is the structure? See here, this is the structure, carbon H. This is the p orbital. P orbital contains 1 unpaired electron. Okay, this is methyl free radical, contains 7 electrons. Now see 2, 4, 6 and 1, 7 electron. Now what is hybridization of carbon? See here, एक गोष्ट इथे लक्षात ठेवा, कार्बोकॅटायन रॅडिकल सेम आहे, पण कार्बोकॅटायन आणि कार्बेनियन कसे डिफरंट आहे. ठीक आहे. सो हियर कार्बन इज sp2 hybridized, geometry is trigonal planar, bond angle between this HCH is 120 degree. Then it is electrophilic in nature because it requires how many electrons? one electron to complete its octet. It has no charge, charge-less species, and therefore you can say it is neutral species, more reactive, short-lived, and it is stabilized by Flussi resonance and hyperconjugation. Its stability is very similar to the carbocation. Flussi effect, resonance, and by hyperconjugation. Okay, so we will see its stability also one by one. Okay. Okay, so friends, there are other methods also by which radicals are formed. See here, formation of radical. First one, thermal decomposition. Thermal decomposition means you have to heat that compound. Generally the peroxides or aza compounds. Okay. Now see here, this is one peroxide RCO, acyl peroxide OO. You know the peroxide, that is hydrogen peroxide H2O2 HOOH. So this bond is very weak, OO bond, and it breaks by homolysis. Which type of fission? Homolysis, and formation of these two peroxy radical. Second, if aza R N double bond N R, then the bond break by homolysis like this, and R dash means two alkyl radical form plus this radical combine and to form N2 gas. Now it will evaporate. Third one, hydrogen peroxide. You know very well this compound H2O2. Okay, if you heat this, now this OO bond, it will break by homolysis and formation of two hydroxy free radicals. First method. Second one, photochemical cleavage. Photochemical means in presence of H mu, that is light, sunlight or UV light. If you take two halogens, suppose Cl2, then you will get two chloride free radicals. This is the step in the formation of alkyl halide from methane and halogens. Second, if ketone is there, RCOR is broken by homolysis, and you will get RCO dash plus R dash. Not dash, dot, you can say RCOO dot. Now this is the radical. If you heat it, okay, then this bond breaks homolytically and you will get R dot plus CO2, carbon dioxide gas will liberate. So there are some other methods by which free radicals are formed. Okay, so today we will stop here and remaining part will continue tomorrow. Okay.